Alright, I got these new wheels, and today I'm gonna cut the fenders because they stick out a lot. If I try to air out, this definitely is gonna hit the fender, and so I'm gonna cut it now and see how it looks. And I'm gonna test the air suspension, drop it a few inches, and see what's up. This wheel looks nice. It's a 20 by 10, 305. Gonna have it all four, but I'm gonna do one at a time. So here we go. All right, this is what I'm gonna do. Exactly 2 1/4 inches from here to here. I measure all the way around. So you simply take your tape measure and you just go in this fashion, measuring all your way around it. Once you mark it up, you have like some kind of guides and stuff, and then you go through and cut them out. So I'm gonna chop them out now. I don't want to record myself grinding this thing, so I'm just gonna skip to the final product. Okay. All right, guys, we've done it. We got the first cut. That's all the way there. I already tested the air, and I went all the way down, and it worked as I wanted to. So what I did is I used this tool to bend all this metal up. So in case there's any shavings or anything, or any sharp edges, won't damage the tire or anything. At the moment I drop it down. So I did that. That's how much sticks out. This is how much I cut out of the fender. It's another piece. So it's about a 2 1/4 inch. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna drop it, and it's gonna go all the way down. That's it. It sits right there. So there's not gonna be any rubbing or anything anymore. There's a lot of space for the tire to travel, and I'll see. I gotta drive it, I guess, but I'll drive it until I finish it, and then I'll do my adjustments as I go. So, but so far so good. This is all what I wanted to. Alright, guys, now I am done. I finished cutting the fender, plastic fender. I cut about 1.5 inches from here, from the edge. So that's how much I have, and that will give me enough room for the tire to go up and down. All those measurements, this the 1.5 inches on the flare, 2 1/4 on the fender, on the rear. I got those measurements from Raptor RT. He has a YouTube channel. Go check him out. He has a pretty good video and really good bits of advice when doing this. I've been messaging this guy. I think his name is Tony. I think his Instagram called Tony RT, I believe. And yeah, he's giving me pretty good advice how to cut this, and he said he didn't weld the rear yet. I wasn't planning on welding it either, or at least not yet, so I think I'm gonna leave it like that. It works pretty good for me for now, so what I want to do is just get this out of the way and start doing the fronts and finish off the backs